This agent will generate a contract for you and will send a welcome email once the client signs. Let's go. It will take extract from Fathom AI that has recorded your call transcript with your client. It will clean up the data. Then AI will extract relevant information and prepare sections for the contract. We create a contract in Panda documents or Panda doc, and then the email is sent to you for review. Once you're happy, you will send the contract out yourself. The agent will also update the CRM with a contract ID. Okay, the next workflow is a schedule. The client signs, a welcome email is sent, an update is been sent to CRM. And then we have a third workflow that will schedule onboarding meeting with the client and create Google Drive folder and we'll also share it with the client. So let's jump into N8N and see how it works. Okay, so now it checks Google Sheets if the deal was closed. In CRM, you have to mark the deal as proceeding to the contract phase. Once that condition has been met, this workflow will get triggered. This is the AI agent node that will prepare information from your Fathom transcript. Here is the bit that prepares the Panda contract. We have the wait node because it takes a little bit of time for Panda Docs to generate the contract. Now it checks if the document is ready and sends an email draft. Now, this was my Panda documents just before this workflow was executed. Let's do refresh. And here is the contract. Just to see Acme Corporation in CRM, I will just quickly show you. We are working with the first contact here. Reason being, call was scheduled, he's the person who showed up on call. We have the transcript ID here, proposal was sent, and this box was ticked as marked as closed, as client was willing to proceed to contract phase. Now the agent has just ticked the box contract sent and has also included a contract ID in here. Okay, let's open the contract. Cool. So here we got all the bits that have yellow frames around them are the bits generated by the AI. Other bits are static as part of your contract template. So here we can see we have a contract fee, milestones, timeline, warranty. It all depends what has been discussed on the call, but basically the transcript has been taken and dissected into bits that are relevant for the contract and into the contract. Person who needs to sign. And here it talks about implementation of centralized automation. It talks about automated lead synchronization and all the other bits and pieces, the deadlines, how long it takes, payments, and so on, total fee, monthly maintenance. So yeah, this whole thing has generated. And here we got the people who need to sign the contract. We press send and send it out. There you go. Send. The document has been sent. Okay. Now we're waiting for Harvey to sign. And once he has signed the document, the next workflow gets triggered. Here is the email that was sent by PandaDoc for him to sign. Let's click it open. This is what he's receiving. And this is his bit that he has to sign. Okay, accept and sign. And once Harvey signs the contract, next workflow gets triggered and he gets a welcome email from us. So let's do that. Finish. So this workflow here, contract sign monitor, will get triggered as soon as Harvey signs the contract. He checks if the contract has been signed. It goes into Panda Docs actually to check it. And if it has not been signed, then it doesn't do anything. If it has been signed, then it will update the CRM, which will be here. Contract signed. This workflow will tick this box. And it will send the welcome email. So let's hop back into Harvey's email and see if we have received. Yep. Here is the welcome. Welcome to our AI. Here is the welcome. We are thrilled to welcome you. In order to, so here is what we can expect next. Let's do a kickoff meeting and your point of contact is a dedicated account manager. And actually the email is whatever you would like to draft. So this is just an example. Let's now this link will open a Calendly and invites him to a kickoff meeting. Kickoff meeting will discuss things like what are the things we need in order to deliver the project successfully, and that we are going to set up a folder for him to drop things into. So next, the last workflow gets triggered once Harvey books the meeting. So I'm going to activate it now, and we can see Calendly is now listening. So let's pretend we are Harvey. We are going to book a meeting. Harvey, email this one, schedule an event. And that should trigger, and it has triggered this workflow. It will create a new folder on Google Drive and sends another email with a Google Drive link, and will share the folder with Harvey. So let's hop into Google Drive here. So the file for Harvey has been created, and as we can see, it has been shared with him, and he will get another email, folder shared with you, and welcome him. So that is the workflow, guys. It has created a contract, it has monitored when the client signs, and once the client signs, it has scheduled a call and created a folder for your client. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please join me again. Watch my other videos that are CRM agent and email follow-up agent, and an agent that actually creates proposals for you. Thank you for joining me, and see you soon again. Bye.